All right. Thank you so much again, everyone, for joining in. And this is the 20th of May, 2024, and we all are a part of Digital Marketing Advanced course by Kartys Digital Academy. Right. So, as you can see the screen, I'll quickly share the screen, and I want to make sure that you have access to it. Everybody has access to ChatGPT, by the way. Has signed up for ChatGPT? Yes or no? Please type in a big yes if you have already signed up with ChatGPT. ChatGPT 3.5, that's fine. Sandiwala says yes. Lipok, what about Lipok? Yes, okay. Mirren, yes. Imchin, Naro, Imchin, Imchin, Naro. Yes, okay. Okay, so this is ChatGPT. I'm going to share my screen so that you'll be able to see that. Please bear with me. Can you all see ChatGPT? Yes or no? So, yes. Okay, great. So here on the right hand side, you see this. This is the place where I can ask questions. On the extreme left hand side, you'll see new chat and see what all I've searched or I've asked yesterday, and day before that, whatever I've searched. So what you have to do is you click on, you sign in. Okay. Once you signed in, you click on new chat, and then let's say today you're asking about some this one. Okay. So let's say uh, please. Okay. So ChatGPT is writing about HTTPS and HTTPS. So look at the standard that ChatGPT is following. Okay, it's writing in a paragraph format. Yes or no? Again, it's adding bullet points or the numerical points. It is also giving the differences, right? Okay, and at the end, I asked the ChatGPT to make a diagram of table. So it's making the table also, right? What is HTTP and what is HTTPS? Right? Till now, I have not received anyone homework like this. And see at the end, ChatGPT is also writing a conclusion. Okay. See, this is the title HTTPS versus has written homework like this. No one, right? Am I clear? How your homework should look like? Yes or no? That doesn't mean that all the homework that you'll go to ChatGPT and start typing there and then you'll copy paste it. No, I will know because I know how the tools how to check which one is human generated or which one is ChatGPT generated. Okay, you finish everything, whatever homework you have done. Okay, copy that, paste it here, and then say, please rewrite. Please rewrite. Please rewrite. Okay, and then you paste whatever you have written. Am I clear? Okay, am I clear? Yes. Is it clear, everyone? Please type in yes, clear. Everybody. Yes, clear. Yeah. Sandiwala says yes. Man says yes, clear. Timjanaro, yes. Lipok, yes. Okay. So I want you guys to start using the format like this. Okay. It should have a title. It should have an introduction like this, based subtitles or subheadings. and then you have to put the bullet points here like this. Okay, if you don't want to put 1 2 3 4, you could just put ABCD, whatever works for you, or Roman numbers. Okay, and then you have to give a diagram. Okay, and then at the end conclusion, your date, the date you have written, and the name. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, all right. So I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to start that. The reason why it is important that you guys follow this is because when you start from now, and later when you join a company, you will always get that. You will always have to give reports. You will have always have to make presentation. So this is how if you learn from before, then only you will not struggle at that time. Okay, it's quite embarrassing to struggle at that time if you're not able to do it properly. Am I clear? Yes or no? Okay, great. All right, so go. So this is done. I'm going to share the screen again. And please read this, okay, properly, everyone. Right. So weekend homework was there. Now, based on the homework, okay, and based on the understanding, okay, shall we do a quick quiz, or you want to do the quiz next week when you prepare everything? Next Friday, shall we do a quiz this Friday instead of a Monday? So every Friday we'll do a quiz. Is that okay? A short quiz on Friday. Only one person has said yes. Okay. Santiwala and this one. So Lipok and Mern, you don't want quiz? Okay, great. So every Friday, what we'll do is we'll have a quiz. Okay. So I'll write down here. Based on Monday to Friday topics. Okay. Monday to Thursday topics, basically. Fair enough. Okay, great. So let's move on to the important terms. Okay, so now today we're going to be discussing about brief about. So everybody clear with till HTML part? Everybody is clear. What is HTML and how does it work, and which language is that? Yeah. Has anybody seen how long? What is HTML? Has anyone Googled it? Has anyone Googled how to learn HTML? Who has Googled? Who has Googled? Nobody. Okay. So basically, HTML is a big ocean on its own. Okay. And if you guys are interested in becoming a developer, okay, so ideally, I will show you the path right now. Okay. I was discussing this with the other team as well. So you are aware of backend and front end, right? Yes or no? Type yes if you are aware of what is backend and what is front end. Okay. So what is this, by the way? What I'm making? Who can tell me what I'm making? What is this? Front end. Okay, yeah, front end. But what is the name of this? What is the name of it? You can tell me. Wireframe. Perfect. Okay. Only two people have written wireframe. I don't know why, but wireframe is the correct answer. Those who don't know, please make sure you know it's wireframe. Okay, everybody, Miran. Okay, okay. And what about Timjanaro? Okay, this is wireframe. Okay, so wireframe, and what are these? These options are what are these? What is this? What is it? Elements. Now, elements. What is this? Carousel. Carousel. Yeah. Yes or no? We learned all this or not? What is this? Container. Right. What is this? Menu. I want you to draw right now while I'm writing this. Everybody draw this in a fresh page. Okay, this is button. Buttn. Button. Okay, button. Okay, yeah. And this is what is this at the bottom? Who can tell me? What is at the bottom or what is at the top? Who can tell me what is this? Guys, come on, fast. We can't wait whole day. If you don't know, just say no. Just say no. Good job, Miran. Miran says good. No, don't know. That's good because if you don't know, you pay attention, you'll learn. Okay, but you have to be open enough to accept that you don't know. Okay, good. Blipok says no idea. What about others? Please, faster. Say no, yes or no. Sendiwala and Timjanaro. I can't wait whole day. Come on. We are just waiting for Timjanaro. Okay, great, wonderful. Thank you so much for replying after so long. And this is called footer. I've already told you guys before. Okay, it's called footer. Okay, footer. You guys have a foot, right? Where you put nice shoes. That's a footer, right? This is a header. Yes or no? Did we discuss this, or is this the first time you guys are hearing? Footer and header. You guys are hearing for the first time? Then, so you know why you forgot? Because nobody made this diagram. That's why. If you guys would have made this diagram of the wireframe, none of you have done it in the homework. Okay, this wouldn't have been the case. Okay, and people in Dimapur are making diagrams properly and sending me. I don't know why. Same class, same teacher, same tools, everything same, but result is different. How's that? So I want everyone to draw this, okay, on the notepad, write down everything, take a photograph, and then send it to me on WhatsApp. I want everyone to draw this. I'm going to repeat, okay? Draw this, draw, okay? Draw this on your notepad, take a picture, send me on WhatsApp. Is it clear? Yes or no? Okay. I want, how many items are there? See, first, this is a button, that's number one. This is menu, number two. Okay. This is header, number three. Elements, four. Carousel, five. Container, six. Footer, seven. Okay. In the side, this is called side navigation. Side navigation. Side navigation. It comes in the side. Okay. The side. Right. Side navigation. So this is number 8. Okay. How long you guys will take to do this? To draw this and send it. I took less than 2 minutes. Let's say I took 3 minutes. How long will you guys take? Santiwala is asking now. No, after 10 years. Of course now. I took 3 minutes. How long will you guys take? Good job. The first person is Lipogonan. Okay, so button menu. Okay. What else? Header. It's not header. HEDER है वो. ठीक है, heater नहीं है वो. HEADER, header. Okay. I'm sure you have written that. Maybe it's because of the handwriting. Okay, but whatever. So login. Where's your menu? Lipogonan, do it right. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Please do it little clearly. Okay. I've mentioned menu here. Okay. Do it cleanly. See, I'll make it again for you guys. Okay. A box like this. First thing what I'll do is I remember that there is a login button, right? So I'll make a login button here. Everybody can see, right? And then here is the menu. 3 lines enough. Okay, here you have some shapes for photograph, pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's enough. Okay. After that, I have a carousel, right? So I'll put a carousel here. Carousel is a moving slide. After that is a container. 1. I'll make another container. 2. Okay. Can you guys see the screen? Yes. And then 3. All right. And then again at the bottom, I'll make a footer. This is a footer. This portion is called header. Header includes these buttons also. Okay. And here will be your logo file icon. Okay. And here I'll make a side navigation. Done. Okay. Understood? Clear? Yes or no? This is side navigation. This is footer. This is header. Yes or no? Okay, header, menu. I can't see the menu. Okay, I can't see the. Santiwala has sent a diagram which is good. It's very clean, but I'm unable to see the menu properly. Okay, and I'm unable to see the login. So give little bit of space. Okay, between the wireframe. Sorry, between the elements, the three elements that you've made, between that and login and menu, the header. Okay, give little bit of space. But good job, Santiwala. Good job. Okay, next, next. Mirn, Timjin Naro, Lipokonan. Lipokonan was the first to submit, but little bit clear and he would have got it. Okay, fast, guys. I've made two diagrams. I'm sure. Are you guys doing? Come on. Santiwala, good job, by the way. Good job. Just try to give some little bit of gap. If you want, you can resend it again. No problem. Main Timjin, wow. Next. It is good. Okay, button, menu, very clear. See, look at Main Timjin's work. Very good. Okay. So what he has done is basically wireframe, guys. You write the on top only. Now wireframe is the topic. The entire thing is called wireframe. Okay. So you don't have to write it inside. Okay, button, menu, good, header. So he has clearly made what is a header. Inside a header, there's a button and there's a menu. Excellent. After that, he has mentioned the three elements, even better. Okay, side navigation he has shown, carousel he has shown. Okay, and then container he has shown, footer he has shown. Excellent. Understood? This is a basic design of a website, UI of a website. Clear, everyone? Forward that to the group, made so that everybody can see to your group. So like Santiwala has sent, right? Similarly. Guys, forward it to your group, okay? So that everybody can see. Send it to your group. Santiwala and Mirn, good job. Okay, what about others? Come on, guys. We don't have the whole day. We have to wrap up fast. I'll repeat. Shall I delete this? Yeah, I'll delete this. Hmm. Okay, Mirn, have you sent it to the group? Lipok, send it to the group. Send it to the group. Okay, Lipok, what Lipok has done is now good. Okay, he has mentioned the button and this one. Okay, put one dot line like Mirn explaining what is a header. Okay, element good. Okay, carousel. Okay, side navigation, container, footer. Perfect. Okay, footer is not small. The down is called footer. Okay, the entire top is called header. Entire down is footer. Okay, not only small rectangle. Yeah. Okay. Yes or no? This entire part. Look here, please. This entire part from here like this. Now you have to give the design. Okay. In fact, you should start the design like this only. Okay. So this is header, and this is footer. Clear? Inside footer you will have multiple icons, multiple this, multiple that. Okay, and in here you have a login button, you have menu button. Okay, okay, register button. Clear, everyone? Good job. Good job, guys. I'm just waiting for who? Who's left? Tumjan Naro. So after this exercise, I'm sure that you will never forget what is a wireframe or how does a website look like. Yes or no? Everybody. If somebody says header footer, you will know exactly what they're talking about. Yes or no? Great. Good job. Good job. So, Naro, is it going to take time? Santiwala, Marin, and Lipok, please help your friend, your colleague, your batchmate. Okay, great. Let's see. Let's wait for it. She says, okay, helping. Okay, almost done. Okay, great. Let's wait. So these kind of activities, if you do yourself, okay, with your own self, if you do, what will happen is you will learn much better. Yes or no? I always learn like this. Okay, if there's a new concept, I'll sit down with a piece of paper, and then I used to write down. I used to write down. I'll make diagrams. How many ever diagrams I make, the more clearer in my head. Once it's clear, then I don't have to ever touch anything. Okay, I don't have to read. I don't have to do anything because I have understood the concept. It's a crystal clear, right? Is it helpful, guys? Is it helpful or not to read like this, to study like this, to practice like this? Even in your school or college or any exam that you want to give, if you practice like this, make diagrams with make understanding, make a proper research, you will never fail for sure, and you will always get best marks. Great, great, good job. Okay, excellent, excellent, guys. So we're just waiting. So basically, while we're waiting, I'm going to erase this. So this is the front end. Okay, I'm going to explain here. Front end. So front end has UI and UX. Backend has what? Tech. Yeah, tech plus code. Okay. You have received a view once photograph. What is all this? Samjhe Naro, can you please send a normal photograph and shut down all the systems? Again, same. Okay. Login button. Okay. Header. Footer. Okay. All right. Elements. Okay. Carousel. Okay. Fine. Fair enough. Container and footer. Perfect. Clear? The entire thing is now called wireframe. Okay. Perfect. So now everybody is on the same page. Nobody knows less. Nobody knows more. Everybody same. Yes or no? Timjanaro, Santiwala, Mirn, and Lipok. Okay, perfect. So now, if from today onwards, if anybody says you front end or anybody says wireframe, okay, you guys know exactly what they're talking about, right? Yes or no? Okay, brilliant. Okay, so the front end has UI UX. Okay, yes or no? It has the look and feel, the user and the interaction, the user and the experience, the user and the interface that the user is using, user and the experience, the feeling that he gets. All this is a part of front end, correct? So front end also has a couple of job roles. Okay, I'll write down here. So front end developer. Okay, front end developer. So front end developer, who is what they do? They do coding. Okay, they do code to develop. Guys, don't write anything. Wait, coding. Just focus on the screen. Don't touch here and there. Okay, coding. They do code for. They do HTML coding plus Python. Okay, plus basically they do stack. Okay, dev stack. If you want, you can Google about it, but we will not discuss this. Dev stack. Okay, development stack. Okay, how much is the salary? Freshers, how much salary they get? If you are a front end developer, your salary will start from 10 lakh rupees starting. Okay, 10 lakhs all the way to 30 lakhs. Okay, yes, that's why they say pay attention. Okay, who can do the front end development? Everyone. When you give the interview, they will ask you which college you studied from. No. They'll ask you which school you went to. No. They'll ask you who you are, where you're from. No. Which tribe you're from. No. They don't care. They'll ask you, do you know HTML? Do you know Python? Do you know Stack? Have you worked on any project? Yes. Thank you so much. You're selected. That's it. Okay. Now front end also has, there's another job. This is one job role. Okay. The second job is UI developer. Okay. Who has written about Figma? I've not seen anyone written about extensively about Figma. Who has done who has searched about Figma? Nobody, right? Guys, then what type of homework you did? Then do you see the UI UX homework you have done? You have not written about Figma. I've clearly mentioned in the notes that you have to write about Figma. See here, in the important terms, I've written already clearly that you have to write about Figma. See, this is what I'm talking about of somebody who was a professional and somebody who is not a professional. These guys are professionals. Okay. UI UX developer. If you want to become a UI developer, there is no education needed. No education needed. Okay, but you have to be first of all professional. Okay, very smart. How you become smart? By practice. Okay, nobody is born smart. Secondly, you have to learn Figma. You know what is the average salary of UI developers? Anywhere between 8 freshers, huh? Who has no experience, 8 lakhs all the way to 35 30 lakhs, 35 lakhs. So we'll say 30 lakhs. UI developer. You also need Photoshop and AI tools. Understood? So the wireframe that you developed, okay, if you develop those kind of wireframes, company is ready to pay you 30 lakh rupees. Just you have to develop like this only. That's it. That's your job. Are you guys interested? Okay, so I see only Miran and this one interested. Nobody else. Okay. All right. So we'll move forward. So basically, UI front end developer. You have understood UI developer. Similarly, the next job is UX developer. Okay, their job is to also work with design. Okay, work with colors, work with the font. Okay, and their salary is also like this only. Same, anywhere between 8 lakhs to 30 lakhs. Okay, so don't take this lightly, guys. If you take this lightly, then you're gone because you will end up nothing. Okay, so this we will not cover UI UX in this course. Okay, we'll just go through because UI UX is a completely different world altogether. Okay, like similarly like HTML Python. Okay, but to understand UI UX you have to complete the basic course that we are doing right now. After that, whoever wants to do this and has already come up with a plan saying that, sir, I want to become UI developer, then you contact me. We'll sit down and we'll talk. Okay, fair enough. I'm going to share the screen. You guys, everybody has heard of Samsung, right? Samsung, Samsung phone. Yes or no? Samsung is hiring UI UX developer, designer. Okay, UI UX designer. You just have to design the wireframes that I made now. That one only. Anywhere between 8 lakhs to 20 lakh rupees they'll pay you annually. Right? See, anywhere between 5 lakhs to 32 lakh rupees. Okay. Average salary is 6.9 lakh rupees. Okay. 6.23 lakh rupees. Okay. So if you guys want to be, one of the highest paying jobs, okay, then you have to start, you know, focusing about your career. Okay. And whatever I'm teaching you, you pay attention to that, learn as much as you can, okay, and talk to me all the time. You ask me, so this is what I learned, how to go about it, how to do this. I'm just giving you a simple homework that also you guys are not doing it. So you think, are you being professional or will you get a job with that attitude? Yes or no? What about Timjanaro? Timjanaro is not responding much on the chat. I'm not sure if it's a technical problem or she's unable to hear me. Timjanaro, are you able to hear me? Okay. So I would really appreciate if you can participate in the chat. Okay, fair enough. Okay, great. So the job of the UI UX developer and designer you've understood, right? The job of front end developer is to do coding, but you guys are working as a front end admin. Okay, front end designers, UI UX designer types. Okay, and your job, you saw the salary, right? 8 to 32 lakh rupees, correct? No technical, nothing. There's nothing technical that you have to do. Okay. Now, just let me check here. So the back end, similarly, back end has back end developer. Okay, guys, write down for front end developer, back end developer, front end admin, back end admin. Okay, so back end developer, I'll just write dev. So their job is to do development. Okay, they will do coding. Okay, and they will make databases. They will arrange data, and they'll work on database. It's a technical, purely technical work. Okay, you guys will be working as backend admin. Backend admin means a very crucial role. Without backend admin, nothing works. Okay, so backend admin, you guys have to talk to these guys all the time. Okay, because they will make the code. Okay, they will give it to you, and you will go ahead and put that code in the website. And if this doesn't work, you'll send it back to them, and they will sit down and work, and they'll give it back to you. Okay, so you guys are working on as admins. Okay, what admins? Content development admin. You are content development. They are backend development. You are content development. Okay, who are you? Please type in your chat box what is your job role and who are you. Everybody, what is your job role and what are you? No, you are not into development. Guys, I told you just now. Backend development, no. Backend development is development like coding, right? Database. Pay attention, guys. You are here. Backend development, no. Backend admin. Correct, Lipo, correct. Okay, similarly, front end also, you are front end admin, not front end developer. Okay, so you are basically, you can call yourself content developer. Content developer means those who do front end also, back end also, both. Everybody clear? This is not F&B, this is not food and beverage, this is not hotel industry. Okay, this is front end and back end. Don't tell others I'm working on F&B. Okay, you are a content developer. Write down content developer. Everybody, write down I am a content developer. I need this. I am a content developer. I need this. Everybody chat. I am a content developer. Are you a front end developer? No. Are you a back end developer? No. You're a content developer. Or I'm a content author. You can also say I am a content author. Okay. Or I can say, you can say I'm a content producer. Okay. So these three things you can do, you'll become. Okay. Not or you can write content author, right, and content producer. Write down in a piece of paper. These three in your notepad. Write down these three lines. Content developer. I'm a content developer. I'm a content author. I'm a content producer. Okay. When you go to Google and type jobs, what type of jobs you'll find? You'll find content developer jobs, content author jobs, content producer jobs. Okay. Related to digital marketing, of course. Am I clear? Okay, so Lipok says I'm a content developer. Miran says I'm a content developer. Santiwala says I'm a content developer. So let's wait for Timjin Naro to write that she's a content developer. Excellent. Thank you so much. So, guys, another request: please make sure that you guys are typing a little fast because we have to call, do a lot of things, right? I want everybody to write down or write these things on your notepad as well. Okay, because when HRs will start calling you, they will get confused because HR, okay, HR of a company, always remember the first time when you get a call from someone, you are not getting a call from manager. You are always getting a call from HR executive. They know nothing about your job role because their job is to only hire people. Okay, their job only is to call people and bring them for the first round of interview or for the technical round. So they will not know the difference between content developer and back end developer or front end developer. Okay, so it has happened with my previous batches. People are saying, "Sir, I'm getting call." I said, "What is job of, role?" It's a back end developer. I said, "Are you a back end developer guy?" No. Then why are you applying for job? Unnecessarily don't apply for jobs and get rejected. Okay, you are losing opportunity. If the HR calls and says, "Hey, I'm looking for a back end developer, front end developer. Can you apply for the job?" Front end and back end developer. Can you apply for the job? No. Okay. What if they call up to say, "I'm looking for front end and back end author. Can you apply?" What if they call and say, "I'm looking for content developer." You can apply, yes or no? What if they call up and say, "Apply for content author," right? Content producer. So the people who have got, in my previous batches who have got jobs, they're in Bangalore and all, so they're working as content author. Okay. They're developing the website, they're developing the UI, UX, basically the front and back end of the website, because you need to know both. So they are content authors. Okay. Fair enough. It is very crucial job because if you make any mistake, okay, you don't have any other department to blame on. Okay. Answered. Because database, what will happen is if the database guys or the development guys make a mistake, they can always say that it was working when I sent for testing, that then it was working. I don't know what happened, let me check. But if you make a mistake, you cannot throw it on testing. There's no testing for you. Okay, so it's very crucial. You have to pay a lot of attention and you have to do it properly. Okay, fair enough. Clear? Yes or no? How many people are working in F&B industry? Say yes. Those who are working in F&B industry, say yes. F&B. Oh, yeah, good job. Lipok is saying F&B industry. Good job. Timjan Naro is saying F&B industry. Wow, good job. So Lipok and Timjan Naro are working in F&B industry. What else? Who else? So Lipok, is that the industry that you're working on and you're getting trained on? Timjan Naro, is this the industry that you're working and getting trained on? Then I asked you one question. Which industry are you working? F&B. You said yes. Lipok. So pay attention to what kind of question I'm asking you. Okay, because people will ask you this. HR will ask you this. Okay, if you mention F&B in your resume, okay, that will be a big disaster. Why? Because F&B stands for food and beverage. It has nothing to do with you're working in IT industry. You will be working in IT industry. Okay, information technology, IT industry. and T for technology. Okay, everybody write down. I am working in IT industry. You will never tell anyone F&B. Okay, I told you front end and back end. Okay, yes, clear. Lipok. Okay, Timjanaro. Please make sure that you never use F&B. The F&B is not our department here. Come on. Okay. So write down. I'm working in IT. Timjanaro. Great. Good job. Okay. So whoever asks you which department are you working in, I'm working in IT department. Okay. IT industry. Okay. And I'm a content author or content developer. Okay. Or content producer. Whatever. Okay. Whatever job you get. Now, are you a front-end developer? No. Are you a back-end developer? No. Are you a website developer? Yes, I'm a website developer for content. Okay. But are you into coding? No. Okay. So eventually, after getting trained, after 6 months, your learning should not stop. What I would suggest everyone is to continue learning HTML. Okay. Continue your learning UI UX if you're interested in UI UX. Okay. And then you never know when opportunities will knock your door. Right. Just imagine you have full knowledge of digital marketing. Okay. Plus you have HTML, plus you have UI UX. You can earn so much of money. You can earn easily 30 lakh rupees. Aram se, right? Because companies are looking for such talent. Okay. So there is no limit to how much you can earn. It is only the limit that how much you can put in the hard work. Am I clear? Okay. Obviously, the more you learn, the more you earn. Okay. Now let's go to the next topic. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, 7 o'clock right now. Take a break and come back, guys. 7, 8, come back at 7:30. Okay, 7:30.